In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple and effective journal in Notion. We'll go from setting up the page all the way to building a journaling system that's easy to use every day and helpful to look back on over time. The goal here is to create something practical, organized, and simple enough that you'll actually want to keep using it. Start by creating a new Notion page that will serve as the home for your journal. Give it a clear title so it's easy to recognize in your workspace. This page will act as your central hub where all of your journal entries and views will live in one place. Once that page is ready, add a journal database. This is what will store each of your entries as individual items, making your journal much more flexible than a plain document. Instead of writing everything in one long page, you'll be able to create a separate entry for each day and keep everything neatly organized. Next, add a date property for each journal entry. This is important because it gives every entry a clear timestamp, which makes it easier to sort, filter, and review your writing later. A date field also helps turn your journal into something you can track consistently over time, rather than just a collection of random notes. After that, create a template for daily journal entries. This will save you time and make the process feel smoother every day. With a template, you won't need to rebuild the structure each time you sit down to write. You'll simply open a new entry and have everything ready for you. Inside that template, add prompts such as mood, highlights, gratitude, and lessons learned. These prompts give your journaling structure and help you reflect more intentionally. Mood can help you notice emotional patterns. Highlights capture the best parts of the day. Gratitude encourages a positive mindset. And lessons learned help you turn everyday experiences into personal growth. Once your setup is complete, begin writing a new entry each day. Don't worry about making it perfect. The most important thing is consistency. Even a short entry is valuable, especially when it becomes part of a larger habit over weeks and months. To keep everything organized, use filters or a calendar view to manage your journal entries. A calendar view can make it easier to see your journaling rhythm at a glance, while filters help you narrow down what you want to revisit. Finally, take time to review past entries and reflect on your progress. Looking back helps you recognize patterns, celebrate growth, and better understand your thoughts and experiences over time. And that's how to build a clean, useful journal in Notion that supports daily reflection.